Is right now the best time to get into BigBear.ai? That is the question we're going to be answering in this video, and we're going to answer that question using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around this low here, price went up to this high before we started seeing this retracement. So if we draw the retracement tool from this low up to this high, we get something like this. And the way this works is when stock prices start retracing, they usually tend to find support around one of these levels. We can see that BigBear.ai has recently been finding support at this level. However, it's not unusual to see stock prices break a Fibonacci level, go down to the next level and find support there. So based on that, what are some good entry prices? The first area you might want to consider buying at or potentially averaging down at is going to be around here. This is $6.94. The level below this is going to be around here. This is $6.13. These two levels are the top and the bottom of this dark green area known as the golden zone. And it's called the golden zone because when prices start retracing, they tend to come down to this area, find support here before bouncing back up, which makes this area a good area to get into the stock at. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It is equally important to have an exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool here. Before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding BigBear.ai or planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that follows trades made by US politicians. As I found this to be the most profitable strategy in the stock market, I put together a free video explaining how I do this and how you can too. The link to it is in the description. Feel free to check it out if you're interested. So coming back to the Fibonacci extension here, if we go from similar levels as before, from this low up to this high, pulling it down to where this retracement has ended, we get something like this. And the way this works is when stock prices start climbing up, they usually tend to find resistance at these levels. And knowing that investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if we see a retracement. So what are some areas you might want to consider taking some profits? The first area is going to be around here. This is $11.93. The next level is going to be around here. This is $13.07. The level after that is going to be around here. This is $14.53. And finally, this level here is going to be around $18.74. So taking some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you can consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels, so if you would like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to see the analysis of a specific stock, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below. This stock was recommended by a viewer. Shout out to Nick for recommending this stock. And if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on this video. That helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.